Hi, this is Busy Broad Free channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the channel name on Discord. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Discord numerous feature make trading on this platform unique, especially its server, filled with communities sharing the same interests. The server contain multiple channels, and typically they're all named according to their purpose. So, what if you want to change the name on the Discord channel servers? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Discord. Now, as you can see in here in this server, I have channel general. I want to change this channel name. We can just tap on that. Tap on the top on here on the channel name. Tap on settings. Now there is an option channel name. You can just tap on that. I will change to this. You can also add the channel topic. Now after that, we can just tap on the save on the upper right corner. So now you have changed your channel name on Discord. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change channel name on Discord server. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.